अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। प्यारे हजूर,
वालेकुम
मेरा
सलाम।
नाम है उसामा अहमद सिद्दीक बागेलू और मेरा सवाल ये है कि how do we know that our previous sins has been forgiven?
How do you know that your previous sins have been forgiven?
Yes.
Acha?
Forgiven, yes.
Acha? And if you know that you will start doing new sins, huh? So the best way is that you don't know. Huh? Only Allah knows. But if you have committed any sin and you do istighfar and seek Allah's refuge and come under Allah's shelter, then you will feel that you are not committing that sin again. When you feel that you are not committing any sin, this sin again, or any of the sins, and now you are inclined towards the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, and you are following the true teachings of Islam, then this is the one way of knowing that your sins have been forgiven, the past sins have been forgiven, and you more istighfar so that you should not commit any sin again in future. Right? So this is the only way. The only way is to do istighfar, keep on doing istighfar, and discharge all your obligations and duties which have been asked by Allah Ta'ala to a moment, to a believer. And if you are doing it, then that means Allah Ta'ala has forgiven your previous sins, and now you are pure and clean, and now start your life with new ambitions and new targets, that you will never do these sins again, and you will try to achieve the love of Allah Ta'ala. Okay?
Jazakallah.